Python has become the go-to language for artificial intelligence and machine learning. One reason is Python's readable syntax, almost like plain English, so you write less code to do more. Python's ecosystem is huge. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch let you jump straight into data science and deep learning. The community is another big win. Over 1 million packages on PyPI, thousands of AI projects, and a steady stream of conferences and tutorials. Jupyter Notebooks make experimentation easy. You can write code, run it, and instantly see visual results all in one place. A typical AI workflow is a quick cycle: collect data, clean it, train a model, evaluate, then deploy. Python lets you iterate fast. Here's a quick Python snippet that loads data, trains a simple linear regression, and prints the score. In short, Python's simplicity, rich libraries, strong community, and interactive tools make it the top choice for anyone working with AI.